Hello friends. Indian economy is dependent a lot on its currency. Stronger the currency, better is the economy. The currency headwind is of utmost importance for a growing economy like India as it heavily depends on imports for its major requirements. Rupee value is dependent on its supply and demand in the currency market. Huge export-import bill gets affected adversely when the rupee is weak as more money flows out of the system to buy dollars. A high current account deficit means a country has to sell its currency and buy dollars to pay its bills. Thus, any increase in current account deficit weakens rupee to that extent. Thus, to balance its fiscal trade deficit, India has to rely heavily on international trade. Oil and gold imports accounts for 35% and 11% of India's total trade bill. Thus, rupee volatility is a likely factor to impact its overall economy. So stay put till the end of this video to know the sectors and the stocks impacted from the currency volatility. So let's understand how foreign trade impacts rupee. Strengthening rupee is beneficial for the country's economy. It benefits the importers favorably as they can buy more with same amount of money and is a big drag on the exporters. The rising rupee is a sign of improving economic scenario and macro conditions of a country. Rising rupee makes the country competitive with any other country's currency. Rising bond yield or treasury yields also impacts rupee adversely as bond selling leads to a bad financial health of an economy. Thus, with heavy bond buying, the rupee rises and vice versa. The best business prototype anyone can have is to spend in rupees and earn in dollars, which is why the government of India is focusing more on Make in India and export outside to strengthen rupee. Now, which global macros impacts rupee? So trade tensions, geopolitical tensions, rising interest rates, any unforeseen election results, any economic downturn, shaky political and economic environment, or warlike situations or any kind of policy war acts as a catalyst which impacts rupee adversely. Thus, stability and peace is a major requirement for any economy to outperform. Rising rupee's impact on economy. The rising rupee is a sign of improving macros of a country. It is also an indication of a stronger economy. The balance of payments is positively impacted and the fiscal deficit and current account deficit are pruned, leading to chances of rating upgrades by global rating agencies like Moody's and S&P, which is good for our stock markets. The FDI inflows and IMF loans are easier to get when rupee is on an upward swing. Similarly, in case of weak rupee, these all are shunned. There is always a fear of rating downgrade and economic downturn. Now let's understand rising rupee impact on the industry. Rising rupee makes imports reasonable. With strong rupee, sectors impacted positively are cement, tiles and selective FMCGs companies, power sector, building material, companies especially those who are importers, plastic companies, chemical companies and tire companies, etc. Rupee weakness benefits the pharma, jewelry and the IT sector the most, being an export-oriented industry. Pharma sector benefits positively as nearly 40% of its revenues for most of the leading players come from US and over 70% of its revenues are generated outside India. So now you must be eager to know the stocks impacted, right? So for that you need to subscribe to Stockage app. Here under premium section we have a ready watchlist section which outlines some themes and stocks which can get impacted from various criterias like the government policies, the crude, the war, the monsoon, etc. Here you can check out all the scans which the stocks fall under, all the news flow in the outlined stocks, and any corporate announcements or corporate actions which have taken place for these stocks outlined. You can even check out if any bulk or block deals have happened for the chosen stocks. All in all, you can have a 360-degree outlook on the theme that is playing out. Thus, if any of these themes catches market's fancy, then you can know which stocks can generate the best return for you. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe immediately to Stockage Premium version and know these stocks which can give you the best returns. Thank you.